Yeah, I'll be right there, Chris. I'm just gonna watch the video that I did last night. Yeah, the unboxing video. I mean, I can't imagine it taking that long. I mean, it's opening up a box to look at a binding machine. I mean, there's not much that can go wrong with that. Yeah, just a few minutes. I'll be right there, honestly. 30 minutes footage. What? Let's see. Well, the moment of truth has arrived. This looks
Box
fine.
arrived yesterday, but I haven't looked inside. So when we saw all of your amazing resources that you'd created using the binding machine,
They were
we got
so
a little
good.
jealous and decided we wanted to have a go too. So we have bought, the Twinkl Home Ed team, the Make Easy Comb Binding Machine. We chose it based on reviews.
Oh, I forgot to say, I should have said A4, A5 can be bound. You can punch 12 sheets at a time, but 450 can be
These are
bound.
the
I mean,
binders.
that's pretty good.
Inside.
Oh yeah, the binders.
Yep, so it comes with, I think, is it 100 binders? Or
There's
250?
way more than 100 there.
What does it say? There's so many numbers. Not too sure. So it comes with lots of binders. I wonder if you can get these in different colours. That's what I was wondering. That would be nice to colour coordinate things. But I might be going a little over the top there. Right, let's slide it out.
Exciting. Okay, there it is in all its glory. Stick that on the side where the thing's poking out. Job done.
Please punch this paper for at least 6 times to get rid of the oil. Rid off oil. Grammar mistake. And achieve optimum utility prior to use of this machine. Right.
Sounds easy.
Thought I would have more things to put together, so this might be a really short video. So
I don't think this is going to be short. It's just there on the
I'm
side.
just gonna guess.
It's right there. Yeah, it's there.
This is where
It's the thing sticking right out.
people are gonna be shouting at the video saying, Rachel, it's over there.
Yeah, you can see it. There's nowhere
does
else.
this go?
Yep, right there. You're touching it. You're touching it. Oh, it's still going. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah.
Still then, I'm always like, I can figure it out.
Turn it. Turn it. Righty-tighty, loosey, lefty-loosey. Come on. There we go. Finally. No wonder this is a long
go.
video. No, I don't think that's right.
Oh, yep. Look at that.
I think that doesn't look quite right to me. Okay. Yep, I don't think this is gonna work. Okay.
This is gonna be, I feel like, the most boring video.
Oh, see? Yep, you put it in wrong. Okay, so, yep, having to take it apart again.
Probably this is when I should have read the instructions before I put it together.
Chris, I might be a little bit longer than I said.
I don't have any. It's been a long day. Oh, that sounded promising.
That's a very satisfying sound.
Ta-da! Alright, so then I can tear this off.
Okay.
Right, let's
Don't
see.
do
Oh,
that. Ugh.
So, slightly annoying
Yeah.
that the things just come
I
out.
think that might be user error.
It'll be annoying to pick up. Oh no. I should have pulled it out from there. If I had done it properly, it wouldn't have been annoying to pick
I don't
up.
think I can put this out on the
That
internet.
would be a fine motor activity for one of my children tomorrow, to pick that up with a pair of tweezers. Right. So, let me try.
Okay, I'm gonna fast forward now. It's just rambling. There we go.
Okay, that's a lot easier.
Yeah, you think?
Alright. So I think if you read the instructions, this would be a very easy and straightforward thing. It was pretty straightforward and easy to put together. It feels very sturdy.
Yeah, I'm just
This
rambling
isn't a
now.
flimsy thing.
Yeah. Let's fast forward again. Here we go. Yeah. Let's stop it here.
So the first thing that I have decided to bind is some work for a book study. So we're reading this book for our next read aloud.
Okay, let's skip through this. I don't need to hear what's in there. Yeah. That looks like way too
Feel a
many
bit of pressure.
pages. That's too many.
Right.
This isn't going to end well.
3.
Oh, I can't
2,
watch.
1. I think I put too many in.
Yeah. That was lucky.
Okay, definitely it felt like I put too many in.
Yeah. 12 pages.
Oh, I'm reading the instructions the wrong way. I'm doing exactly what you tell children not to do. So I'm going across like this because that makes sense to me. It's supposed to be going down like this.
This is embarrassing.
Okay. Honestly, if the LEA is watching this, please know that I'm perfectly capable of teaching my children, even if I can't read these simple instructions.
Okay. This should be easy. I feel like this was easy.
Oh,
Yeah, see?
Right.
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
then I place this in.
I
Got a
remember.
feeling this might be one of those things that could be really easy or could be a bit faffy.
I'm gonna go and get a cup of tea. That was hard to watch. That took so long. That was like 10 minutes of trying to get it on. Come on, you can do it. Just take your time. Oh, I must have been tired last night.
Okay. Don't leave.
Got it in. Fingers crossed. Oh,
That was so easy. I don't know why I made it into such a big deal. Okay, this is really nice because it can lie flat for them to, when they want to do the writing, it's going to lie really flat. But yeah, we need to cut out a page like this one and just trim it out really easily. It's not going to make a big problem. So let's see if you can do the other one really easily. Okay.
famous last words. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I've remembered to do it in smaller sizes, just 12 sheets at a time. Wait, that's upside down. That's upside
No,
down.
I'm not so certain. Oh, I think I must have put those butterflies in upside down. Nope. Ah, I did the wrong side. Ah. So, do you know what I'm going to do?
Print it again.
Just...
Yeah. No.
I'm making the mistakes so that you don't have to.
Okay, I think I cut a few corners there. There we go.
So yeah, the Make Easy Combine
Oof,
machine.
it's the end. Finally.
It is very easy to make if you just pay a bit of attention to what you're doing.
That's true.
I hope you have more success and you'll see a lot more videos of me using this properly in the future.